तारों का सबका कहना है, एक हजारों में मेरी बहना है। सारी उम्र हमें संग रहना है, फूलों का था।
Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. We all know that Rakhi festival is coming very soon. Are you ready to tie the Rakhis to your brothers? Let's see how to make Rakhis. For the first Rakhi we need scissors, pencil, white glittery sheet, blue shiny sheet, silver shiny sheet, two-side tape and letter stickers. Take car-shaped paper, then mark it on shiny sheet. We need to cut the paper as car shape as shown. Hooray! Rakhi is ready! We can have named Rakhi or just Bro Rakhi. For second Rakhi we need thread and needle, white pearl and golden beads. Our second Rakhi is ready, isn't it so beautiful?